Good morning friends and welcome to Sharekhan Pre-Market Roundup. Firstly, taking it to the global markets. Yesterday we saw US markets closing up by around 0.6% for Dow and around 1% for Nasdaq. This was basically on the back of short covering as the US markets are closed today on the account of Independence Day, and there's high expectations that ECB and BOE can go for a rate cut tomorrow. So on back of that, the most of the global markets like European markets and the US markets were up by anywhere from 0.6 to 0.1% and 1.5% also in some cases. Coming back to oil was up smartly by around 3% on Brent. Brent now being at a level of $100 per barrel, and NYMEX oil being at 87.6%. This is a very sharp rally in oil, anywhere from 10 to 12% for NYMEX and Brent both. This will have some impact on our markets, but on the positive side for our markets, it's rupee which is doing well for now. It is down around 300 bips from a high of 57.4 made few days back, now languishing at 54.36. So this augurs well for our markets, and we might see some movement in stocks where rupee has a major impact in the past. On the news front, there's only one important news. Yesterday Ashok Leyland came out with numbers yesterday, with numbers up being sales up being 28% at 10,244 units. This was mainly driven by the LCV segment of Ashok Leyland, the new launch which was done in the last quarter, that is Dost. That's all on the domestic front. And the global front, what is important to watch out for going ahead is the ECB and BOE meet. If ECB and BOE goes ahead with the rate cut tomorrow, this might be the history lowest rates for from both the banks. On the technical side, Nifty looks to be at a very crucial level of 5300. As we had seen for last 3 to 4 sessions, we have not been able to break the range on the higher side at around 5320, 5330, and on the lower side we are continuing to have support at around 5250, 5270 levels. So going ahead for the day, the trend will be the same. In fact, it can be a trend for next couple of sessions also, because Nifty is into a consolidation phase and today US markets are also closed, so we might not see any major event happening today, that is a breakdown or breakout happening in Nifty today also. On the lower side, traders can look to get into Nifty at around 5250, 5270 levels and trade for a target of 5310 to 5320, and if for any reason Nifty moves up and moves close to a level of 5340, 5350 on the higher side, one can look to go short on Nifty at around 5350 level with a stop loss of 5370 to 5380, and cover the same on the lower side around 5300. Current SGX quote is at 5310 levels.